Hello, class. Today I wanted to take care of the quiz that I forgot to staple into your packet. So here it is. So let's talk about it. Okay. So this was a really easy quiz. Most people did well on it. It's just combining like terms and foiling. So first, when you have adding like this, you got to add the two terms in between and you add what's alike. So 3x squared goes with 5x squared. So 3 plus 5 is 8x squared. 10x goes with negative 2x. So 10 plus negative 2 is 8x. And then negative 7 plus 11, negative 7 plus 11 plus 4. So ax squared plus ax plus 4. This is simplified, so you don't need to factor out anything in common. You just stop right there. That's how your multiple choice answers will look like. Next one. 10x to the fourth minus 6x to the fourth. That is 4x to the fourth. Ax to the third, I look around and I see 8x to the third. So 8x to the third, there's nothing that affects it. There's no other ax to the third. 10 and 2, 10 minus negative 2 is the same as 10 plus 2. So this is a plus 12. And the last one's a little bit tricky. Negative 3x. So it's technically 0 minus negative 3x squared. So this is going to become a positive 3x squared. So plus 3x squared. In terms of your answer in the multiple choice, it will be in the correct order, which means, whoa, why is it broke up? Which means it will look like this. 4x to the fourth plus 8x to the third plus 3x to the second plus 12. Again, there's multiple choice, so you just pick the one that looks correct. You don't really need to remember the order because you're doing multiple choice. Next one, 5x to the seventh, 5x plus 7, 2x plus 4. When we FOIL, we distribute a little bit to everything. So 5x goes to 2x, 5x goes to 4, 7 goes to 2x, and 7 goes to 4, and they're multiplying each time. So 5x times 2x is 10x squared. 5x times 4 is 20x. 7 times 2x is 14x. And 7 times 4 is 28. I guess what it is red, so let's pick this one. All right, then before you finish, you have to combine like terms. So 10x squared plus 34x plus 28. For some reason I figured this. In a multiple choice test, you would not be shown this because this is still technically correct. You're not going to get two technically correct answers. Pick the most correct. Only one answer would be correct, and it's going to look like this one down here. So it'll look like that. It's not going to look like the top one. It will be simplified completely. So if you're doing it and then you get this and you're like, none of my answers matches, check and say, oh, probably have to simplify. All right, next one. 11 to x plus 11 squared. X plus 11 squared. Remember, do not, and I'm going to put this as a fake answer, x squared plus 121. This is going to be the wrong answer. And trust me, I'm going to put that as a multiple choice. Instead, you have to do it as x plus 11 times x plus 11. You have to do it like that. I'm going to do this one quickly because I already went through the process. X squared plus 11x plus 11x plus 121. X squared plus 22x plus 121. This would be your final answer after I combine the like terms, 11x and 11x. And this does have a pattern. The pattern is a squared plus 2ab plus c squared. You might remember me talking about the pattern. If you don't remember the pattern, don't sweat it. You could just do it the long way, which is this.
How's it going, man?
Good, man. Give me a second.
Good. Also, are you
All right, sorry about that. All right, last part, 3x plus 5 and 3x minus 5. Same thing, we're going to FOIL. This one has a special situation too. So 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times negative 5 is negative 15x. I'll just keep it in pattern. I did green X. 5 times 3x is positive 15x. And then 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. What's interesting here is when you combine 15 and negative 15, they're going to cancel out. So what you're left with is 9x squared minus 25. And this should be familiar when you do factoring. This is a special case one where it's both of them are perfect squares and there's a minus, called the difference of squares. Okay. All right, hope this helps. Again, I posted all the instructions about Zooming today and review, but I'm physically here in room 301, chilling, waiting for somebody to come in. See you around.